What's up guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com. Now let's jump right on in and show you how to install the Bluetooth smart connector to your John Deere Z5 mowers. Now if you're not sure what this is going to be the connector that allows you to monitor your machine from the Mower Plus app. Now if you don't know about the Mower Plus app, I've got another video about this that I will link down in the description below. But let's jump on into installing this piece onto this Z5. And the first thing that we need to do is remove this cover here on the right-hand side panel. So to remove this right-hand side panel, we're gonna have 3 of these push clips just like this. One here, one in our storage container, and one right by our control stick over on the right-hand side. So we wanna go ahead and get that tool, whatever we're using, flathead screwdriver. This is an actual tool to aid in removing these types of clips. And trust me when I tell you this is the most frustrating part of the whole job here. We're gonna pull out on the top there, pull the whole thing out just like that. Next is gonna be this one right in here. Get the top popped out. Pop out the bottom piece. And then last but not least, we have one right here on the inside of our control lever. And right there. All right, now once we have those removed, now what we're doing is just to lift up this whole panel here, getting this out of the way so that we can expose our wiring right below our control panel. Now what's nice about the Z5 mowers is that if we pull this harness sort of out of the way here, we can see that right here in the plastic, we're gonna have 2 holes right here, and these are actually mounting holes for our Bluetooth connectors. So we want to go ahead, take this connector and put it with the plug side facing out. Then we can start in our 2 self-tapping screws, and these are going to use a 10mm right here. So we're just gonna sort of get those started into the holes there. Now, once we have those started, what we're looking for is we're actually looking for a plug that looks just like this right here. Now, once we find this plug, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and remove this cover right here. This is just going to be a dud, kind of a dummy cover to keep that clean. And then what we're looking for is this connection here that lines up with our smart connector here. Gonna go ahead and get that connected, and then we can go ahead and tighten down our bolts here on our smart connector. Now, once we get that tightened down, we can get everything back into place and go back on with our main cover. All right, so now it's just a matter of getting our cover put back in place here. Trying to hold our display panel into place is always the trickiest part to this whole scenario here. Then it's just a matter of replacing our 3 clips. One here by the handle, one here in the storage bin, and then the last one on the back side of the storage bin here. Now, once you have that connected, you are now able to access the Mower Plus app with it connected to your machine. So if you're not familiar with that, make sure to check out the link to the video down in the description below where I've done this on another mower as well. But this was to show the installation and how easy it is here on the Z5 mower. Now, if this is something that you feel like you need for your machine, part number to this is gonna be BUC 10929, and you can get that part at 247parts.com along with any other parts for your John Deere equipment, so make sure to go check that out. But guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.